In the fast-changing era of artificial intelligence, there are two concepts that often ignite passionate discussions among technology enthusiasts: generative AI and artificial general intelligence, which commonly called AGI. While both hold the promise of transforming how we interact with machines, they fulfill different roles and represent distinct potential pathways for the future. Let's delve into these differences and explore the implications of each type of AI for the days ahead. So before starting this interesting journey, subscribe to Future Minds and leave a comment and like the video if you want to see more content like this. What is generative AI? Consider generative AI as a proficient mimic, akin to a highly skilled parrot. It's capable at replicating intricate patterns, generating a variety of content, and occasionally delivering outputs that appear remarkably creative. Nonetheless, akin to a parrot, generative AI lacks genuine comprehension of the content it generates. Its functioning relies on processing vast datasets and forecasting what comes next, whether it's the subsequent word in a sentence or the next brushstroke in a digital artwork. For example, when generative AI creates a poem on love, it doesn't tap into profound emotional depths. Rather, it utilizes an extensive repository of words and expressions commonly linked with love in human literature. This renders it proficient for tasks such as drafting articles on global economics or crafting marketing content, as it adeptly emulates human-like writing based on its training data. However, it falls short in comprehending intricate human emotions or executing tasks beyond its program scope, such as tax management or formulating economic strategies. What is artificial general intelligence? The next frontier? AGI, or artificial general intelligence, signifies a theoretical advancement in AI, aspiring to develop machines capable of not only executing tasks, but also understanding, innovating, and adapting. The objective of AGI is to emulate human cognitive capacities comprehensively, empowering machines to learn and proficiently undertake a wide spectrum of tasks, spanning from autonomous driving to medical diagnostics. Diverging from existing technology, AGI would not merely mimic human behavior, but also comprehend the nuances and contexts surrounding those behaviors. Nevertheless, it's important to note that AGI is still purely theoretical and remains a topic of extensive discussion and conjecture within the scientific realm. While some experts anticipate that AGI might soon become a reality, propelled by swift technological progress, others contend that realizing genuine AGI could prove elusive due to formidable ethical, technical, and philosophical barriers. Technical challenges facing AGI. The advancement of AGI confronts numerous technical obstacles that differ fundamentally and are more intricate than those encountered in the development of generative AI. The primary challenge revolves around establishing contextual comprehension and generalization. Unlike generative AI, which functions within predefined datasets, AGI would necessitate an innate understanding of how diverse sets of information interconnect across multiple domains. This demands not only computational prowess, but also a sophisticated framework of artificial cognition capable of emulating the human capacity to link disparate concepts and experiences. Another notable obstacle revolves around sensory perception and engagement with the real world. For AGI to emulate human-like functionality, it must possess the capability to perceive its surroundings holistically, interpreting visual, auditory, and other sensory inputs to make informed decisions in real time. This encompasses not only the recognition of objects and sounds, but also the comprehension of their contextual significance, a feat that poses challenges for existing AI systems. Furthermore, AGI needs to possess the capacity to learn from limited data and flexibly apply this acquired knowledge across diverse scenarios. This principle, termed transfer learning, is inherent to human cognition, but poses formidable challenges in machine replication. Current AI models typically rely on extensive datasets for effective learning and struggle to transfer knowledge from one context to another without substantial retraining. Key distinctions between generative AI and AGI. To fully appreciate the transformative impact of AI, it's crucial to discern the fundamental disparities between generative AI and AGI. Let's outline the key divergences. Number 1. Capability. Generative AI is proficient in replicating content and proficiently produces output based on learned patterns and datasets. While it can achieve impressive results within its designated domain, its capabilities are confined to its programming. On the contrary, artificial general intelligence strives to become a fountainhead of innovation, possessing the capacity to comprehend and creatively address challenges across diverse domains, akin to human capabilities. Number 2. Understanding. Generative AI functions through statistical models and algorithms to predict and generate output based on prior data, without genuine comprehension of its results. Conversely, AGI would necessitate acquiring a true understanding of its environment, forming connections and insights currently beyond the capabilities of any existing AI system. Number 3. Application. Currently, generative AI finds widespread application across various industries, augmenting human productivity and fostering creativity. Its capabilities span from basic data processing to intricate content generation. In contrast, AGI remains a conceptual aspiration. Its potential realization could lead to profound societal transformation, as it could autonomously undertake any intellectual task akin to humans, potentially reshaping roles across all sectors. Ethical and societal implications. The difference between these technologies extends beyond technical aspects to fundamental ethical considerations. Generative AI, despite its transformative potential, triggers inquiries concerning authenticity and intellectual property rights. In contrast, AGI incites profound contemplation regarding the essence of consciousness, the entitlements of sentient machines, and the likelihood of unprecedented repercussions on employment and societal frameworks. Both types of AI require vigilant regulation and strategic planning. The ongoing progression and potential achievement of AGI necessitate a balanced approach, considering the substantial benefits against the substantial risks. The journey from generative AI to AGI represents more than just escalating complexity. It signifies a fundamental shift in our relationship with machines. As we progress, recognizing these disparities becomes essential for ethically harnessing their potential. With generative AI augmenting our abilities and AGI potentially reshaping them, our approach to the future of technology must mirror the adaptability and innovation of the intelligence we aim to develop. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.